Bonjour, dear hair pros. I'm here to tell you about iNOA. Our first no-ammonia permanent hair color powered by oil, thanks to a unique, patented oil delivery system technology, suitable for all hair types. The unique oil delivery system within iNOA has a breakthrough oil base which optimizes the coloration system and helps respect the natural protective layer of the hair. The result is beautiful hair color that's high in shine and leaves hair feeling conditioned with sublime color radiance until the next color appointment. Got grays? No problem. iNOA gives high coverage up to 100% while keeping the color looking bright and luminous. iNOA is organized by groups of reflect and fundamental shades. 10 reflects split into warm and cool tones: gold, copper, red and warm brown, ash, iridescent, matte, cool brown, and mocha. There are 3 groups of fundamentals: natural, deep fundamentals, and gold. The key benefits of iNOA are: no ammonia means no odor, optimized scalp comfort, up to 100% white hair coverage. Want to offer your clients beautiful high-impact color with no damage in sight? It's all about applying the perfect global application using iNOA. Let's get started. First, add in a 1-to-1 ratio 60 grams iNOA oil developer, 10, 20, or 30 volume, and 60 grams of iNOA cream colorant. Mix together. iNOA covers up to 100% white hair. For up to 70% white hair, simply use your chosen target shade 20 iNOA developer. Above 70% white hair, we need to make sure that we personalize the mixture to obtain the perfect coverage. For cool shades, use a natural or deep fundamental. For warm shades, use a golden fundamental. Mix half of your desired shade with half of a fundamental at the same level. Let's look at the iNOA fundamental shades. For cool shades, mixing half natural or deep fundamental and half iNOA cool desired shade at the same level. For warm shades, mix half golden fundamental and half iNOA warm desired shade. The exception is iNOA Intense Reds. Carmeline, Rubeline, and DM5 cover up to 100% white hair without mixing a fundamental shade. Development time is 35 minutes. Take-through should be done with DL Light to ensure hair fiber quality, great shine, and perfect tenacity. iNOA is easy and reliable for all client needs, and it delivers 100% professional service results. We can't wait to see your results on social media, so don't hesitate to tag #iNOA, #@Loreal Pro Education, @Loreal Pro.